Hello everyone, this is a program to add and subtract using switch. Ash include 889x51.h, ash include kjcserial.h. These two are the header files that I have used in this program. Ash include 889x51.h is the header file for the processor, and the processor will be requiring few functions which are predefined in this header file. Ash include kjcserial.h is used so that printf and readbyte.pc can be worked. Here I have designed a switch where I'll be connecting it to the port line 1. So I have declared as s bit sw equal to p1 raised to 0. So as you know, void main is the main part of the program. Here I have declared two character data types, that is byte 1, byte 2. Now I have declared port line as P1 equal to 0xFF. Now I have declared as T mode. T mode is a timer mode that will run at mode 2. That means it will run in 16-bit mode, and I have declared as T mode equal to 0x20. Then I have given TH1. We need baud rate in this program. So I have given as TH1 equal to 0xFT. That means it will take time delay of 9600 baud rate. SCON is used to control the 8051 microcontroller's serial port. So I have declared as SCON equal to 0x50. It is a 8-bit data. That means one will start and other stop. Uh, Now TR1. TR1 is a starting timer. Here we are using one timer. So I have declared TR1 equal to 1. Now we'll go to the main part of the program. So I have used while loop. While loop is an infinite loop. Now to enter the first number, I have given as printf enter the first byte, and the code for this is byte 1 equal to read byte PC. This line helped me to take in first input from the user. Likewise, I'll be taking input for the second number based on the user choice. Now we'll be checking whether the switch is on and off. So I'll be using if else statement. As you can see, I've used if else statement here, inside which I'll be declaring whether the operation should be added or subtracted. That is, when the switch is on, okay, we'll be performing the difference operation, and when the switch is off, we'll be performing the addition operation. Therefore, uh, it will check if switch SW equal to 1. That means when the switch is on, that is open. Now if the switch is open, now if the circuit declare that the switch is open, it will check whether byte 1 is less than byte 2. If it is yes, then it will print as difference with a negative sign, and the code is byte 1 minus byte 2. Here what happened, two numbers get subtracted and we get the required output. Else if byte 1 is not less than byte 2, then it will print as difference. Okay, and the code is byte 1 minus byte 2. Here the two numbers get subtracted and we get the required output. Now we need to check that if the switch is closed, okay, then it will be adding up the numbers. So the code is byte 2 PC, byte 1 plus byte 2. Here two numbers get added and we get the required output as sum. So this is my coding part. Now we'll go to produce to design a circuit. So you need to remember one thing before going to produce. To design a circuit, we need to create a X file which have been created earlier. So now we'll go to produce. So I've designed a circuit using a microprocessor 889C51 dot, which is connected to a virtual terminal. And you can see, and I have connected my switch to the port line 1, that is P1 of 0. So here now what, my switch is open, right? Now we'll go for debugging. run simulation, and once you go for debugging, you will be having virtual terminal. So now it is asking us to enter the first byte. Now will give us, see, I have received my output as difference, right? Minus negative with number. Now I'll give us again difference with different sign with the negative sign I've got. Now I'll give as, see, 36. You can do manually also, because you can see 48 minus 12 is 36. Now see, I will switch, now my switch is closed. Now we'll go to, so see, 10 plus 20 is 30. Now it is adding up the numbers. When my switch is closed, now it is adding up the numbers. You can try even manually. Therefore, you can see my code as well as circuit design is correct. Thank you.